Hello everyone, I am Tarana, the HR executive at Softtrix. My focus is on promoting inclusivity, diversity and the welfare of our team members. I am dedicated to develop and implement HR strategies that align harmoniously with our company's overall objectives. So, this was basically about me. Now let's discuss in brief about our company Softtrix. What began as a small team of 2 in 2009 has now blossomed into a close-knit family of over 250 individuals, and our growth continues. Being a part of such a reputed company, I am thrilled to announce that we at Softtrix, located in Mohali, Chandigarh, have launched programs of various trainings such as video editing, content marketing, PHP, SEO, PPC, graphic and web designing, and Wordpress for motivated, determined, and keen to learn individuals to help them in their skill enhancement, irrespective of their educational background. So today, we will be shining the spotlight on our Wordpress training program. In Mohali, Wordpress holds substantial promise as a leading platform for web development, e-commerce ventures, and content management. Mohali offers ample opportunities for WordPress professionals and businesses alike. From creating dynamic websites and online stores to fostering blogging communities and offering specialized training programs, WordPress versatility caters to diverse needs within Mohali's digital landscape. Its widespread adoption and user-friendly interface make it an ideal choice for local businesses seeking to establish a robust online presence and tap into global markets. Moreover, the platform's flexibility enables remote work opportunities, further expanding the scope of WordPress for professionals based in Mohali to contribute to projects worldwide. So let's explore the advantages of enrolling in this training. First, networking and mentorship. Second, adaptability and continuous learning. Third, diverse career opportunities. Fourth, accessible learning curve. Overall, WordPress training in Mohali empowers individuals with knowledge, skills, and resources needed to succeed in the competitive landscape of web development, digital marketing, and online entrepreneurship. Let's explore our distinctive approach to this training. First, attend 2 to 3 hours of daily classes 5 days a week. Second, engage in hands-on experience by working on live projects. Third, receive expert guidance on the latest WordPress update. Fourth, obtain certification within week, launching your career as a WordPress expert. Now let's see what sets our training apart. First, customized curriculum according to the requirement. Second, working on live projects with the guidance of our expert. Third, certification after the completion of the course. Fourth, guaranteed job opportunities for the excellent ones. Fifth, flexible learning options. So the last is strong community engagement. Experience our comprehensive WordPress training and unlock the secrets of WordPress development. So now let's see who all are eligible applicants. Our program welcomes individuals from all backgrounds who are eager to expand their skill set and advance their career. Whether you're a recent graduate or past higher secondary student looking to gain practical knowledge, or a seasoned professional aiming to stay updated with the industry trends, our program is designed to accommodate diverse needs and aspirations. Our WordPress training in Mohali is your pathway to success in the digital landscape. Join us and take your first step towards becoming a trained individual. So, now after discussing about the course, let's hop onto the fee structure. Our training fee structure is transparent and inclusive. The total fee ranges from 20 to 30K depending on the course duration. We offer flexible payment options including installment plans to accommodate your financial needs. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to contact us at 83604 15296. Thank you.